I'm going to say something controversial. Tracking calories and weight is the fastest way to fail at weight loss. Yes, you heard me right. If you are religiously logging every meal, weighing yourself every day, or सोच रहे हो that's the path to success, you have already lost the game. Here is the brutal truth. 95% people जो weight loss करते हैं, they gain it back. Not because they didn't work hard, but because they focused on the wrong metrics. दो crucial चीजें you must track if you want lasting weight loss. And no, they are not calories or weight. Stick around because I am about to reveal what no diet guru dares to tell you. Hey, I am Harshankar. I help people like you transform their health, mindset and body without fat diets, without gym membership and without wasting time. If you want to lose weight without using supplements, rigorous workouts and fancy diets, click on the link in description and book a one-to-one appointment. I have worked with hundreds of people who were stuck for years until they applied what I am about to tell you. Let me take you back to one of my clients. We will call her Kavita. Kavita came to me after years of yo-yo dieting, keto, intermittent fasting, juice cleanses. She tried them all. She counted calories all the time and checked her weight every morning. But every time she lost weight, it quietly came back again. Sound familiar? One day she broke down in tears. Hari, मैं सब कुछ सही कर रही हूँ. Why am I still failing? And that's when I told her the simple truth I'm about to share with you. Truth number 1. You must track your hunger, not just calories. आप देखो, calories are just a number, but hunger is your body's operating system. जब आप अपने भूख के सिग्नल्स को इग्नोर करते हो और ज़बरदस्ती खुद को भूखा रखते हो, सोचो क्या होता है. Your body rebels, your metabolism slows down, you crave junk and you binge. Calories can mislead you, but आपका भूख, that's the real honest signal. So I told Kavita to start tracking her hunger on a simple scale. 1 means starving, 10 means completely full. She began eating when she felt like a 3 or 4 and stopped around 7. And within weeks, magic happened. She stopped binging, her cravings faded, she trusted herself again, and the weight, it came off and stayed off. If you focus only on counting calories and ignore your hunger signals, you are heading straight for burnout. Trying to lose weight by counting every almond is like trying to fix a flat tire with a band-aid. It's not going to hold and you will just end up stuck and frustrated. Now let's crank it up. Truth number 2. You must track your strength, not just your weight. Here is what they don't tell you. The scale is a dirty liar. Weight fluctuates होता है due to water, hormones, muscle gain और कभी-कभी scale तुम्हें punish करता है even when you are doing everything right. But strength never lies. I asked Kavita to focus on her workouts, tracking her squats, push-ups, lunges and planks. These bodyweight exercises which she could do at home could help her get stronger week by week. And as she got stronger, her body changed tighter, leaner and more powerful. And the best part, she stopped being a slave to the scale. Every time she hit a new workout personal record, उसका mindset बदल गया. She wasn't just someone trying to lose weight anymore. वो अपनी जर्नी में एक strong athlete बन गई थी. If you are still stepping on the scale every morning like a desperate lottery player, you are sabotaging yourself. Stop measuring failure, start measuring power. आप सोच के देखो, you start your workout at home. Last week, you did 15 push-ups. Today, you crushed 20. That's not just a number. That's you getting stronger. And when you get stronger, the fat loss becomes inevitable. So here is the brutal truth no diet guru will tell you. Lasting weight loss isn't about shrinking yourself. It's about rebuilding yourself. When you track hunger, you reclaim control over your body. When you track strength, you reclaim power over your life. Calories के पीछे पागल होने का टाइम गया. Forget about the damn scale. Tracking the things that actually matter, the things that will make you feel unstoppable. When Kavita came back to me after 3 months, she had lost around 9 kilos, but that wasn't what excited her the most. What mattered more was that through consistent home workout, she could do full push-ups, hold a plank for over 1 minute and feel strong in her own body. उसे इस बात की खुशी थी कि वो मिरर के सामने से गुजरते वक्त मुस्कुराकर अपने आप पे गर्व महसूस कर सकती थी. That's real transformation. And you can have it too, but only if you break free from the old rules. Ready to stop chasing calories and start building confidence? Like this video, subscribe and comment I am ready. Because I am just getting started. This channel is where we destroy the myths and rebuild your body and mind. See you in the next video and remember, don't just lose weight, become unbreakable.